Pisces, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for March 16 to 31, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Pisces. Energy update for you. Para sa mga Pisces. Second half ng March. So this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing, money, career, your health, and your love life. So bottom of the deck is the Ten of Pentacles. Wow! Ten of Pentacles is financial abundance, financial stability. This can also mean yung iyong legacy. Or yung iba, pwedeng meron kayong asikasuhin related sa inyong negosyo o mana, no? Inheritance. Maaring napamanahan ka, tapos ayusin mo na yung mga paperworks mo dyan. This can also mean kung ano yung mga needs mo for ngayong second half ng March, you will be receiving it. You have the Six of Cups. O yung iba sa inyo, ano to, meron kayong marireceive na ito yung parang nakalimutan nyo na pera. Pwedeng may project ka, tapos meron kang inihintay na payment, pero hindi mo inaasahan, marireceive mo na agad, ganon. So, yung iba, this can be inheritance. Hindi mo akalain meron ka palang mamanahin from your parents, from your lolo, lola. Okay, overall energy, the Two of Cups. This is union, this is agreement, connection. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo will enter a commitment, relationship, especially romantic connection, no? The Two of Cups. And then, your challenge is the Ace of Cups. This is a new beginning. Maaring itong papasukin mo na relationship ay parang nagdadalawang isip ka kung ready ka na ba. Ready ka na ba to start this connection? Ready ka na bang mag-commit sa isang person? Ready ka na ba na mag-share ng iyong sarili sa ibang tao? Ready ka na ba for a serious commitment? So, you are also reassessing your situation. Yung iba sa inyo, meron dito makikipag-ayos, makikipagbate na nagkaaway kayo, may issue kayo before. Maaring itong person na to ay magre-reach out sa'yo to finally work things out or just to say sorry, diba? And then your opportunity is the Seven of Pentacles. This is waiting for fruition. This is getting the fruits of your labor. So if ikaw yung tipong mainipin, baka ma-frustrate ka lang kung mamadaliin mo yung trabaho mo or yung iniisip mo na makukuha mo for your project or for your job. But you have the opportunity to make yourself more productive. Ito yung tipong habang naghihintay ka, ginagawa mong mas productive yung sarili mo. Diba? Halimbawa, nagsaing ka sa rice cooker. O, diba, nagsasaing ka. So, may spare time ka habang naghihintay na maluto yung sinaing mo. So, meron kang ibang gagawin. Let's say, maglalaba ka or vacuum ka or magluluto ka. Maghugas ka ng pinggan. Or any, ano lang naman, yun lang naman ang example dito, no? So, you have the opportunity to be more flexible para mas marami kang ma-accomplish. Diba? Yung pagiging busy mo will parang somehow will make you forget na may hinihintay ka and then bigla na lang kukunin mo na pala. Diba? Makukuha mo na pala. Andyan na. So, nalibang ka na, naging productive ka na, hindi ka pa stress. Diba? So, your blessing is the Nine of Swords. Blessing. Nine of Swords is overthinking, nasa-stress sa mga bagay na parang inaalala mo. But as a blessing, I think, mamamanage mo yan. Meron kang mariresolve na issue mo pagdating sa overthinking, pagdating sa stress, sa problems, lalo na kung may insomnia ka. So, pwedeng meron kang may gagawin na isang medical procedure para sa'yo na maayos yung sleeping patterns mo or sleeping habits mo, or may iinumin ka na makakapagparelax sa'yo at hindi ka na mahihirapang matulog. But for some of you, this is a solution to a challenge sa buhay mo. What is the Nine of Swords? 11th house. Meron kang gustong i-pursue na mga pangarap mo na parang feeling mo hindi mo kaya dahil feeling mo kulang yung kaalaman mo. And I think ito yung solusyon dyan, no? Magagawan mo ng solusyon. Kung kulang yung kaalaman mo, dagdagan mo yung kaalaman mo para mas maging confident ka sa gusto mong i-pursue. Lalo na kung ito ay related sa pangarap mo. Yung iba parang if you are into social media or let's say content creator ka, influencer ka, meron kang maaayos na mental struggle or mental issues ngayong second half ng March. I think someone will also help you. Will reach out sa'yo. And then your money, you have the Apprentice of Pentacles. This is a new opportunity, new beginning for business, career, your job. This is also about learning. So, maaring iba sa inyo na may pinag-aaralan kayo para kumita ng pera. Or may inaaral kayo pagdating sa pag-manage ng finances ninyo. Your career, 7 of Swords, nako. Sa career ninyo, maaring may tension dahil medyo malakas ang competition. Kaya, meron mga tao na parang pinagmamasdan ka about what are you going to do, ano yung magiging actions mo moving forward. Pwedeng ito yung mga nagmamasid sa'yo sa trabaho or sa negosyo, titingnan kung ano yung next step mo, ano yung next product, next services mo. So, may mga bagay na kailangang i-keep mo na lang para sa sarili mo. Huwag mo munang i-share sa iba unless tapos na. To protect your career, to protect what you are working on. Sa health naman, Apprentice of Wands, I think mas magiging active ka ngayon physically. You're going to be running, doing physical activities para mas maging healthy ka. Lalo na kung ang lifestyle mo sedentary, no, yung lagi nakaupo or wala masyadong movement. So, ngayong second half ng March, mas magiging busy ka in physical activities. Sa love life, you have the Apprentice of Cups. Definitely new person coming in, no? If you're single, merong bagong person or someone is admiring you. May namumuong relationship dyan. Ano tong uncertain na to? Kung merong event na magaganap na dapat nakaschedule ng March 16 to 31, pwede siyang ma-postpone. Yung iba sa inyo, merong issue with a water sign. Kapareho niyang water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Pwedeng, yung parang merong revelation. May magsasabi ng nararamdaman niya pero hindi tatanggapin ng other person. Caution, mag-ingat, Pisces. Merong mga maaring tao ito na hindi magandang intention towards you, or taking care of yourself or keep yourself safe and protected, no? Transition. Things are changing. Pwedeng may nagbabago sa plano mo. May pagbabago na gagawin ka sa career, sa trabaho mo. This is transformation. So, maaring merong endings, merong new beginnings that you want to let go of. In what area? Sa sarili mo. This is about reassessing your situation. You're going to be more kind sa sarili mo. May ila-let go ka eh. Anything that is no longer serving you. And you are also taking a risk. Maaring dito sa new beginnings na to, new relationship, or new business opportunity na magte-take ka ng risk. Okay, so that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.